Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add friends in the MyFitnessPal Calorie Counter application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and look for the Friends button and click on that. And then click on the Add Friends button. And as you can see, there are two ways. So you can find friends from the contacts, or you can invite friends using their email address or the MyFitnessPal username. So here, just enter the user name or the email of your friend, and then your full name and optionally a message. And once you did that, just click on the tick button at the top of the page on the right to send it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.